Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make soup with bone broth, easy method. Start by sautéing onion, carrot, and celery in oil, then add roasted bones and cold water, plus a splash of vinegar to extract minerals. Bring to a gentle simmer, skim foam, and cook low until rich and gelatinous. Strain, return solids if desired, season to taste, and finish with fresh herbs and a bright squeeze of lemon. Enjoy immediately. Use quality bones for richer taste and gelatin. Roast bones at high heat first for caramelized flavor, then simmer slowly with water and a splash of vinegar to help extract minerals. Add mirepoix, garlic, and herbs once broth is clear of scum. Simmer low for several hours, skimming occasionally. Strain, cool rapidly, and refrigerate or freeze in portions for easy future meals and best texture. For quick meals, use concentrated broth to speed cooking and add fresh vegetables at the end to preserve texture. Balance salt early and taste again after reduction, finishing with herbs and acidic notes to brighten flavors. Try chicken, beef, or fish bones for different profiles, and add miso or soy for umami variations. Store in the fridge up to 5 days or freeze in labeled portions for convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.